Hello good people, today I'm going to show you how to rename your computer. You want to change the name of your computer from this name to this other name. How do you go about it? You right click on my computer icon on the top right of your screen, this PC. You right click, then you go to properties. It brings you the basic information about your computer, the system, the processor, the RAM, and then the computer name here, and the domain and the workgroup settings. My current computer name is TechGeek, but I want to change this name to another name. How do I go about it? I come here on my right and select Change Settings. So I click Change Settings. It brings another small window here with several tabs, but you're interested here, computer name. So you come down here and click change. To rename this computer or change its domain or work group, click change. So you click change, it brings up another window. So this is the computer name area. See, you're able to edit and delete whatever name is there. So you want to create a new name. Let's call it my PC. That's the name you want to call your computer. You remain on work group or you want to join a domain, but let's remain on the work group and click OK. Once you're done, it will tell you that you must restart your computer for the changes to take effect. That's a must. So you click OK and then you click close. You see there is a notification here. Changes will only take effect after you've restarted this computer. This is the name that will be assigned to your computer, and then you click close. You can choose to restart now or restart later. So guys, that's how you rename a computer from this name to this other name. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for more of these videos. Goodbye for now.